Okay. Talking about another approach, think about, can we use another array? Can we use a Boolean array? And let's call it DAT, direct address table. So what we do is we take a Boolean array. We know the characters are 0 to 9. Characters are A to Z, small. Characters are capital A to capital Z. If we look at their ASCII values, so ASCII values of all of them, like ASCII value of small z is 122. So if we go with the idea of ASCII values, you would agree with me that ASCII value of small z is highest, that is 122. If that is the case, we know that in alphanumeric characters, maximum ASCII value is of small z. So what we do is we can take a table of size, we can take an array of size little more than 122. Let's take a 128 size array. So index 0 to 127. So what will happen is if there comes a character capital A, now we know the capital A ASCII value is 65. We will store capital A at index 65. Same way, if there is a small a, ASCII value of small a is 97, then what we will do is we'll go to index 97 and we will set true or false if it is seen. Same way, ASCII value of digit 0 is 48. So we'll go to index 48 and we'll mark it true. So ultimately what we are doing is, reason we call it as direct addressing table is whatever is the character, the ASCII value, we go to that ASCII index and we mark it visited. We mark it seen if it is already seen. So we do a linear scan. We use an array, direct address table, which is a Boolean array, and we just keep marking if we have seen a particular character. And before marking, we will check if it is already marked, that means it is duplicate. Now, if we go with this idea also, we are going to use a space of 128 size array. And now what we will have to do is we are just doing a linear scan. So there also we can say, hey, minimum of 63, n is definitely going to give us the answer.